Right, here's Isaac. He's had a bit of a tough week. Right at the end, a 45.5 pound live bait mirror. Happy days.
Happy days indeed, mate. What I came for, 40 plus, anything over my PB of 41.8, and I've done it, smashed it. I'm fucking well happy, man, thank you.
No worries, bud.
Been a great week. I know it's been hard, but it's been epic. The drive and everything's just been epic, and I couldn't thank you enough. I can't wait to get out again.
Alright, awesome fish. What a way to end the session. Brilliant. Ebro carping at its finest.
I keep a close watch on this heart of mine. I keep my eyes wide open all the time. I keep the ends out for the tie that binds. Because you're mine, I walk the line.
Right, had a few mad days on the river here, and first few were a bit tough. Yesterday I had 5 carp out, biggest was 30. Today I've had 3 carp out, 35. I just slipped back, and then this absolute stunner here, and he goes 40 pounds exactly. Oh, don't taste that shit. Look at that. How's that for Ebro carp, eh? Well happy with this. Oh, fight as well. I had to go out in the boat and get it at the end. Wow, but what a carp. So happy. What a fight. Right, I'm going to slip her back to the depths, see if we can get a few more. Well enjoying this session. Well happy. Whoa, what a fight. Buzzing with that, man, buzzing. Whoa, Ebro, love it.
Fishing open sea, fought so hard just to be free. Tense and straining, aching me, slipped away, oh can't you see? Line grew thin, trembling hand, seconds felt like grains of sand. Battle rages in the deep, losing strength, I keep on trying. Hope fading, sinking fast, memories they always last. Victory so close to taste, lost it in a heartbeat's haste. Big fish in open sea, fought so hard just to be free. Tense and straining, aching me, slipped away, oh can't you see?
I hope you're enjoying these little videos. I haven't been really videoing too much myself at the moment. I've kind of like finding myself a little bit frustrated. I'm just a bit forgetful when it comes to videoing. Over the last month or two, I've had some lovely customers, but I've only really videoed them with fish. So have a look at these. I mean, some absolutely amazing fish have just come out.
Turning to dawn, thoughts of you keep me warm. The trail so long where we once walked leads my mind to where you're not. Time moves on, but the memories stay. Whispers in the wind, they call me back. All the echoes scream your name, and all my world just fades to black. Just take me back, I want to go back. Thank you for they made me who I am today. Through all the laughter and the tears, they never truly fade away.
Well, as I have to say, my video and subscriber rate is going up. I've heard now it's on over 7,000, so we're getting to the point where the 10,000 mark could be coming up. As we did with the previous giveaway, we're on the 1,000 mark. We're all going to do the same for the 10,000 mark and offer a prize. Now, me and Mandy haven't discussed what the prize is, but I'd imagine it'd be similar to having a free trip. Keep an eye out for that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a comment on our videos as well. Don't forget. Just if you feel like you have to say something, whether it's negative or positive. One way or another, I'll get back to it. Alright, this one just gone off on a public. It's taken a fair bit of line off the reel there. Here we have Dave's new client come in. This is the second one. This one didn't stop, probably about 130 yard run there, I reckon. This is his son Clay. Yeah. Hopefully he's going to get into some fish as well this week. Just a slow affair. Once they've done that first run, then it's just pumping it back. You might find you can come back through weed beds. You just got to keep the gradual, just slow pressure for it, you know. Yeah, you just got. You're looking after the hook hold with the braid. There's no forgiveness.
Look, if you had one shot, one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted in one moment, would you capture it? Just let it slip. Yo. His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking how? Everybody's joking now. The clock's run out, time's up, over, plow. Snap back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity. Oh, there goes rabbit. He choke. He's so mad, but he won't give up. Daddies, he know he won't have it. He knows his whole back to these ropes. It don't matter. He's dope. He knows that, but he's broke. He's so stagnant. He knows when he goes back to this mobile home, that's when it's back to the lab again, yo. This old rhapsody better go capture this moment and hope it don't do better. Lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. Your soul's escaping.
Yeah. That is it, he's chunky, he's pre-spawn. Looks awesome, that. Nice first fish. What was your biggest carp? 28. Oh, I think you beat that. Yes, man. What a fight. Here we have the end result. What a proper common from the River Ebro. First fish, buzzing. What a fight. 150 yard run, screamed off, made the fingertips burn. Ebro carping, yes. At its finest.
In the music, the moment you own it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot, do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime.
On the shore, sun's rising, casting lights, smile shining, rod bending, heart pounding, new friends all around me, laughter in the air, old worries disappear. Stories that we share, memories start right here. Reel it in, catch the vibe, new friends side by side, casting dreams, open hearts, fishing more than the art.
Alright, well done. Nice one. Hands up.
Taking
Left alert.
chance. Bait the hook, talk our plans. Life's best
Still clear enough to swim away.
these hands.
Well done, mate. No, don't wet his shorts. He's got to wet his head.
Stories get taller, each laugh a bit louder.
TV
Moments
guys,
make us stronger, friendship growing longer. Reel it in, catch the vibe, new friends side by side, casting dreams, open hearts, fishing more than the art. Fish stories get taller, each laugh a bit louder. Moments make us stronger, friendship growing longer.
Oh, here it comes. Look. Oh, it's got a big pile of weed around it, Harry. It's only a little one.
Reel it in, catch the vibe. New friends side
I think it might be
by
bigger than
side,
13 pounds.
casting dreams, open hearts,
Sit, lift.
fishing
You got it.
more than
Well done,
the
buddy.
art.
Oh, that's chaos over. Harry and his clients, it's good fun looking after kids, but oh, peace and quiet's nice afterwards. Well, good fun while it's low, and Harry did a good job again. Nice to see. But I could do with a break. Been on the bank a little while, you know. I may pack up and go down the beach. Be pleasant, eh? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed these videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and look forward to the next video. You mates.
Now it's time to sit back and relax, as we listen to some random ramblings from the Ebro's very own, Nick Shattock.
You know, at the end of the day, I can only do what I do on the River Ebro, and that's hopefully catch some fish. Yibbity yibbity, mate. I can't get that friggin' tune out my head. I started singing it today. I got tunes. I always get tunes in my head when I'm on the fishing bank. And I've been doing I've been married a long time ago. Ready to go. Where did you come from? Cat and I, Joe. Well, that's one of them. What's the other one? I'm a scat man. Yes, I am an idiot. But today, out of my head, out nowhere, I started to sing. Sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna to the King of Kings. Sing, what the frick? You know, your memory basis. You see, I mean, I was brought up Catholic, and I ain't not Catholic now, trust me. But at the end of the day, man, that just popped into my head today, man. And oh God, how when you started singing it now, that's popping in your head. Songs, man. Sing Hosanna to the King of Kings. Wow, man, it's popped in my head. Mad that, innit, really? Anyhow, come on the big carp. Woo-ah!
You have been listening to some random ramblings from Nick Shattock. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.